Hi! We are a group of researchers from Yale Society of Women Engineers. When we aren't building radio telescopes or engineering biofuels, we lead educational events for hundreds of students across the state of Connecticut. To inspire even more students, we have developed the SpinWheel.
The SpinWheel is a wearable gadget for STEM exploration. It can be worn as earrings or sported as a keychain. The SpinWheel contains sensors that detect motion and the Earth's magnetic field. You can program the SpinWheel's LEDs to display beautiful patterns that respond to the sensor's measurements.
We believe that the wonders of electronics should be accessible to all students. Therefore, our kits assume no prior experience. With guidance from our educational materials, you can program the SpinWheel to be a step counter, a compass, and even more.
Whether you've never programmed or been programming for years, the possibilities are endless.
All of our proceeds go towards funding Society of Women Engineers outreach events. Some of our activities include Soldering 101, designing a self-watering garden, fractal art, among many more.
We have witnessed firsthand how leading these events can spark students' curiosity about science and engineering. We've designed this kit so that those without extensive technical backgrounds can still offer similar experiences to their students. Lessons can be self-guided at home or offered in a classroom setting.
We have prototyped and tested the SpinWheel over the last 12 months, and we are so excited to launch this Kickstarter on March 16th. And if fully funded, we plan to deliver by August 2020.
Each kit will cost $40 and comes with a pre-assembled SpinWheel, battery, and our educational guide.
Other options to back our Kickstarter include purchasing a sticker or kits for an entire classroom. With your support, we will inspire the next generation of engineers.